The fastest and most accurate way to lay down a line parallel to the edge of your stock is with Woodpeckers Precision T-Squares. In the machining process and making the blade, we also drill at the same time the holes that join the head to the blade. And these 6 holes here and the 6 screws are very carefully machined in here. The holes in the blade are not exactly in line with the holes in the head. They're off by just a couple thousandths of an inch, so that as the screws are tightened, it pulls this joint into perfect alignment. Another feature is the lip that is formed in the head by this shoulder right here. Where most T-squares, that's just a square edge and it can fall. With ours, that lip keeps you dead flat on your material all the time. So the lip and the head give you a very, very nice feature in using the scale on the T-square. The engraving is very carefully controlled to be right at that edge. So when you bring the edge of the square to the edge of your stock, your 0 point is precisely on the edge of your stock. You'll also notice that the edge of the rule is beveled at 30 degrees. That takes care of parallax and gets the engraving right down next to the stock. So if I want to mark this at 2 inches, it's just that simple to get a very accurate mark. Now, one of my favorite features of the Woodpeckers T-Square are these holes in the center of the blade. These are 1 millimeter holes, very carefully milled on 1/16" centers. And if I take a mechanical pencil and put that straight up and down, and then hold the square in against the edge and slide along, I'm going to scribe a mark perfectly 2 inches from the edge of the board. Now, if you're laying out shelf pin holes, the big holes in here are on 1-inch centers. Okay, so if you're laying out shelf pin holes, it's just that simple. So in Woodpeckers catalogs, you'll find that we have 4 versions of this tool. There's one that's 12 inches long. My favorite is the 24 and then a 32. That's 3 different versions in inch scales. And then we have a metric equivalent of 24, which is the TS600. On the inch version, the scribing holes are on 16th centers, and on the metric version, the 600 millimeter, those are in 1 millimeter increments on the scribing hole. Each T-square comes with a wall-mountable racket to keep it protected, but always in plain sight and ready for work. Woodpeckers Precision T-Squares, your perfect shop companion for plywood project layout. Order yours today.